Welcome to NC Coins World, the place where ordinary coins turn into unbelievable stories. And today you are about to witness one of the most shocking mysteries ever linked to a U.S. quarter, a Rhode Island State Quarter, now valued at $7,500. Yes, $7.5 million for a coin that millions of people once held, spent and completely ignored. But this one should have never existed. It all began with a coin collector who noticed something strange about a Rhode Island quarter he found mixed in an old box. At first it looked normal, but under light, the waves beneath the sailboat shined differently, almost like high-relief proof coins. The mast looked sharper, the boat's outline cleaner, and the metal gave off a richer tone. He thought it was his imagination, until experts confirmed it wasn't. This wasn't a normal circulation strike. It wasn't a proof. It wasn't even an enhanced die strike. It was something else entirely. Something that the mint had never officially released. When experts scanned the coin under magnification, they found microscopic patterns carved into the waves, tiny details that were not part of the public design. These details would require a very high-pressure prototype die, the kind used only for test strikes. So how did it escape? Who released it? Why does it exist? Nobody has the answers. That mystery alone skyrocketed the coin into fame. But the real twist came later, when metallurgical testing showed unusual trace elements not found in typical state quarters, meaning this coin wasn't just accidentally made, it was likely part of an experimental batch. A batch the mint never admitted existed. Collectors went insane. Bids started at hundreds of thousands, then millions, until one private collector placed the highest known offer, $7.5 million. And believe it or not, this may not be the only one. Rumors say there could be 2 or 3 more hidden somewhere, in someone's drawer, wallet, jar, or old collection. Imagine watching this video and realizing you might be sitting on $1 million mistake from the U.S. Mint. This is the story of a quarter that defies logic, breaks rules, and rewrites history. And in the next chapter, we go even deeper into the evidence that brought this mystery alive. The discovery of this rare quarter didn't just surprise collectors. It exploded through the numismatic world like a shockwave. When the coin first arrived at a grading facility, the experts expected it to be a simple misaligned strike or a worn proof. But the moment it was placed under the microscope, the room changed. The examiner froze. Another specialist was called, then another. Within minutes, the coin was the center of an emergency evaluation session. Why? Because the details on it were simply impossible. The waves beneath the sailboat curved differently. They weren't just lines, they had depth, layering, and texture far beyond a normal quarter. The sail had sharper angles. The mast appeared slightly elongated. And on one corner, a tiny light reflection bump indicated a high-relief pressure only used during die testing phases. In short, this coin was not made for circulation. It was made for evaluation. Then came the real shocker. The metal composition was off by a fraction, a small but undeniable deviation from normal mint alloy. It suggested either a small test batch or a high-purity alloy specifically selected for trials. When the story leaked, collectors around the world went into hunting mode. Every Rhode Island quarter suddenly became a potential treasure. Prices on eBay shot up. Forums exploded with theories. Some believed an employee smuggled a few coins out. Others claimed the mint accidentally mixed prototype strikes with circulation coins, but no explanation matched all the evidence. And that mystery made the value explode. Experts now refer to it as a prototype ghost quarter, a coin that slipped through the cracks of history, leaving no paperwork, no documentation, and no explanation behind. The value rose not just because of the error, but because of the secrecy. Because this wasn't just a coin, it was a forbidden strike. And the deeper experts looked, the more impossible details they found. In the next chapter, you'll learn how these microscopic clues pushed this quarter into the $1 million spotlight. Every legendary coin has one thing in common: hidden details the world wasn't meant to see. And this Rhode Island quarter is packed with secrets. Under extremely high magnification, experts found marks beneath the waves, marks not visible to the naked eye, not part of the original design, and not present on any known specimen. These marks looked like ultra-fine ridges carved by a different engraving tool. Normal quarters are struck quickly, efficiently, and with minimal precision. But this one showed the kind of detail you only see on premium-grade prototype dies. Even stranger, the water reflections beneath the sailboat showed depth. On some angles, they appeared slightly elevated, a sign of high-pressure die testing. These details are impossible on mass-produced coins. But then came the discovery that changed everything. A microscopic dot, barely visible, was found near the boat's bow. That dot matches the placement of internal, mint test dies used only during experimental stages, meaning this quarter wasn't just a design variant, it was a secret prototype. And prototypes are never released, but somehow this one escaped. It may have been accidentally mixed into a rollout batch, or an employee may have saved it from destruction, or it may have slipped into a bag during a mint test demonstration. No one knows, but its existence alone proves the Mint conducted tests they never announced, and that secrecy is worth millions. The result? Private collectors, museums, and investors started placing insane offers. Phone calls were made. Brokers got involved. Authenticators competed for access. Everyone wanted a piece of this moment in history. And that leads us to the next chapter, the chapter where the past meets the water, where Rhode Island's maritime legacy connects directly with the mystery of this ultra-rare quarter. To understand why this coin became a $7.5 million phenomenon, you must understand Rhode Island's connection to the sea, because the design of this quarter was created to honor that heritage. But what no one expected was that the design itself would become the greatest clue to a hidden prototype. The detail in the sailboat, the curve of the mast, and the structure of the waves echo Rhode Island's legacy of shipbuilding and navigation. But only this ultra-rare prototype captured those details in maximum precision. It's almost as if the artist's purest version, the one never meant to be seen by the public, somehow escaped into circulation. Experts believe the die used to strike this coin was part of a limited test series made to experiment with enhanced relief for state quarters. The experiment was never approved. The dies were supposedly destroyed, yet somehow one coin survived. And that survivor became a legend. Collectors call it the Rhode Island Ghost Strike because it appears out of nowhere, undocumented, unidentified, and unmatched. The value rose not because the coin is old, but because it's forbidden. You're not just holding metal, you're holding an accident that changed history. And now, we reach the final chapter, the warning, the revelation, and the message that could save someone watching this from losing a life-changing fortune. This is the moment where everything comes together. The truth behind the value, the danger behind the fakes, and the warning every viewer must take seriously. This coin is worth $7,500,000 because it's a prototype that shouldn't exist. It carries experimental metal traces. It has unparalleled high-relief wave details. It comes from a destroyed die series. It is the only confirmed authentic piece. And now the warning. Most people who find a rare-looking coin do the worst thing possible. They clean it. Cleaning destroys microscopic proof of authenticity. One wipe, one wash, one chemical dip, and your million-dollar coin becomes worthless. If anyone watching this has a Rhode Island quarter that looks even slightly unusual, sharper waves, deeper sailboat relief, extra shine, high contrast metal tone, odd design shape, then comment below. Share pictures, because your coin might be the next million-dollar prototype, and we will help you identify it. And at the end, remember this: subscribe to NC Coins World, because the next rare treasure we reveal might be sitting in your house right now.